How to fix Honor Magic 7 cannot receive calls. So let's start the video. First of all, restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold power button and then click on restart. After restart your device, then turn off your do not disturb. Now swipe down to your control center. If you turn on do not disturb, then turn it off. After turning off do not disturb, then open settings. In settings, scroll down and click on system and updates. After clicking on system and updates, you can see the option reset. Now click on reset and then click on reset network settings. Now here you can reset your network settings. After reset your network settings, then reinsert your SIM card. After reinsert your SIM card, your problems will be fixed. Thanks for watching this video.